Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing V rose gele for you guys. So at first I start creating my plates. I created 5 plates there. So guys, for this gele rose is the plates that you first created that I'm creating now. So when going back now, bringing the other hand on top of it, the number of plates that you created first, that is the same number of plates that you are going to create. Just look at what I'm doing now guys. So yes, this is what I'm saying. So the number of plates that I first create, that is the number of plates I must create at the second part now that I'm placing on top. So don't forget the rules guys. So for this gele guys is 50-50 ratio. So after bringing it back on top of it, I'll be going back now. I'll be going back with my other hand. So I'm giving it to my model to hold the other hand for me now. So I'll be going back now with the other 50 parts of the gele now, placing it on top of, just look at what I'm doing guys. So now I'm creating my plates now. You can create as much plates as you want here guys. You can create as much plates as you want. So I'm just creating my plates now. Just take your time guys, don't be in a hurry to tie your gele. If you want to get perfect gele, don't be in a hurry to tie it, just take your time. So all this gele that we are seeing on Instagram that you may see that is very difficult guys, it's not. If you put your mind to it, you will see the gele are not hard. It's something that you can achieve. Those people that they are tying it, they have the same head as we too, so we can achieve it. That is why I'm here for you guys, to make it more easier for you. If you notice on my gele, I do make it details for you guys to understand, because if I'm the one also watching YouTube, if they did not make the gele more understandable for me, I will just go back. I won't watch the tutorial any longer. So that is why I try my possible best for me to make the gele simple for you guys to be able to understand, so that if you want to tie it, you'll be able to understand. So please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at Glam Beauty 30 Makeover, Glam Beauty 30, and patronize your girl. Patronize your girl. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, I base here. I also travel. If you want me to do bridal makeup, I also travel. So please patronize your girl. I'm so affordable. Don't be scared that maybe my money will be too much. No, my money is not to abeg. So please patronize your girl. Call me for makeover, Owambe parties makeup. So please patronize your girl. So now that is it about the gele. If you just look at it, it's not something that is hard. It's very easy. It's very easy. I don't like saying gele is hard. It's very easy. You can achieve it. So that is it about the gele guys. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this gele. Can you rock it to Owambe parties or to church, or can you tie it for any bride that want to get married? Let me know at the comment section below. So I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for always commenting on my work. I do appreciate it guys. Love you so much. Bye.